Does Gemini have Bitcoin? Intro. Hook. Have you ever wondered if Gemini, that popular cryptocurrency exchange platform, actually has Bitcoin? I mean, it's like asking if a fish has gills. But hey, you'd be surprised. Let's dive in and find out. Context: Gemini, founded by the Winklevoss twins, has made quite a name for itself in the crypto world. They've got a reputation for being a bit more traditional and regulated compared to some of the other exchanges. But does that mean they've got the OG cryptocurrency, Bitcoin? Main content. Bitcoin basics. Let's start with a quick refresher on Bitcoin. It's the granddaddy of cryptocurrencies, the digital gold, if you will. It's decentralized, meaning there's no central authority controlling it. And it's got a limited supply, which is what makes it so valuable. Gemini's offerings. Now, let's talk about Gemini. They offer a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Litecoin, and even Dogecoin. But does Bitcoin make the cut? The Gemini answer, drumroll, please. Yes, Gemini does have Bitcoin. In fact, it's one of their most popular offerings. You can buy, sell, and store Bitcoin on their platform. Gemini's advantages. So, why choose Gemini for your Bitcoin needs? Well, for starters, they're a regulated exchange. This means they're subject to certain rules and regulations, which can provide a sense of security for some users. They also have a reputation for being user-friendly, making it easy for both beginners and experienced traders to navigate their platform. Security and custody. One of the biggest concerns when dealing with cryptocurrencies is security. Gemini takes this very seriously. They have robust security measures in place to protect your funds. And they offer a cold storage option for your Bitcoin, which is considered to be one of the most secure ways to store cryptocurrencies. Fees and charges. Of course, fees and charges are always a factor to consider. Gemini does charge fees for buying, selling, and storing Bitcoin. However, their fees are generally competitive with other major exchanges. Gemini versus other exchanges. Now, let's compare Gemini to some of its competitors. Coinbase, for example, is another popular exchange that offers Bitcoin. While both Gemini and Coinbase are reputable options, they each have their own strengths and weaknesses. It's important to do your research and choose the exchange that best suits your needs. The future of Bitcoin and Gemini. As we look ahead, it's clear that Bitcoin is here to stay. It's become a major player in the financial world, and its value continues to fluctuate. Gemini, with its focus on security and regulation, seems well-positioned to capitalize on the growing popularity of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Conclusion. Recap. So, to recap, Gemini does indeed have Bitcoin. It's a popular option for buying, selling, and storing the OG cryptocurrency. They offer a secure and regulated platform, along with competitive fees. Call to action. If you're interested in investing in Bitcoin or exploring other cryptocurrencies, Gemini is definitely worth considering. Be sure to do your own research and understand the risks involved before making any investment decisions. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.